hit start. Hey guys, today I won't be showing you, but I'll be telling you how I made this really cool blizzard in a bottle. So what we did is, well, I did this at an art class. So what we got was a bottle and then different stuff. So what we did is we put these different decorations. There's like stars, snowflakes, glitter, and all that. And then also we did all this. I made this in art class. So what you do to make it is you take like stars and cool decorations that would make it look cool in a blizzard, and some glitter. Then what you do is you take a couple of pinches of it and like sprinkle it in, and you can decorate your bottle with different stickers and all of that. And then at the top I put this. You're allowed to decorate the bottle. Mine kind of smeared off. So then what you do is you put a couple pinches, and it has to be full of water. Put a couple pinches. In here. Then after that you put like a whole lot of clear glue. Well, not too much, but just a good amount. So that will make it be able to sink to the bottom. That will make it be able to float around. But if it's not, it'll just go falling down. And also, if you do it like this, you kind of see a tornado. Or it's like a water storm or something. And then there's some decoration. And there's some decorations, and that's how you make a blizzard in a bottle. And if you guys like this video, smash that like button. Let's get to 5 likes, and I'll maybe start doing a drawing channel on how to draw some different stuff. Goodbye.